Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the fourth question in exercise 7.9. If integral of x minus 1 by x squared into e power x dx is f of x e power x plus c, then write the value of f of x. First, let's write the basic formula. So that says integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e power x f of x plus c. So in this integral input function, I need to rearrange it in this style so that I can pick up what is f of x. So first let's make some small modifications here. So integral of this particular expression, I'm breaking it as x by x square minus 1 by x squared into e power x dx. Now this I can simplify as integral of 1 minus x by 1 minus x squared e power x dx. Now if you put f of x is equal to 1 by x, let's confirm that. So f dash of x is nothing but differentiation of this, which is minus 1 by x squared. So this is of the form e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. So we see that f of x is going to be equal to 1 by x. So they are also asking you what is the value of f of x. So the value of f of x is going to be equal to 1 by x. In the next video, we will find the solution to the fifth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.